Let me show you how to achieve quick bridal hairstyle by yourself. Let's get started.
That baby, what's up?
Operation Do It Yourself. Please focus your eye and see how we achieve this bridal hair, because sometimes you don't want to pay. This bridal hair, the price, the lowest is £250 here in United Kingdom. Okay, my people, focus your eye as I introduce myself. Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Deg Beauty. If today is the first time you come across my video, I based in United Kingdom, London. So on this channel, this page, wherever you are watching me from, we teach people how to do things on their own. I teach how to apply makeup, natural makeup, lard makeup, how to achieve it on your own, on yourself. I teach as well how to achieve different gele head wrap, different style of head wrap gele. Okay, my people, please, all I need from you, I just need your focus. Open your eye proper and gaze your eyes on my hand. That is where the secret is. Focus your eye, my auntie, my sister, my brother, whoever that is watching this video, because you can do it, and the more you focus, then you catch the revelation. Okay, right now just brush your hair, apply little oil so that the hair will be shining. You know, this is bridal hair, but I want to inform you, in case you are there washing, you will think maybe I don't need this hair. Sometimes we style this hair for people that are celebrating 40th birthday, 50th birthday, 60th birthday, 30th birthday. This hair as well, not just for bride when you want to do marriage. You can use it for your birthday. And you know, before you use your native outfit, this is what we call hairstyle for the English first outfit. The difference is sometimes we don't place the white accessory when it's birthday. We just use gold. But this hairstyle is good for it's good for birthday, it's good for photo shoot. So you can learn it. You can learn it, my sister, my auntie. If you don't want to continue to pay some certain things, and you are there, you don't have idea how to do this hairstyle, you are just welcome. Just see the way I style it. I have different styles. I have different styles. In case you don't like this, you can go to my Facebook channel, YouTube channel. You will see different head do. My people, the secret, you focus and practice, is very easy. By the time you blow dry your hair, you see the way I part the front side. I just put the middle part. I apply some oil so that the hair will look glowing. Then now, if you want to put gel, don't just pack your hair and put gel or at a time. You part it. You take some little bit out. By the time you brush it again, you continue applying your gel. My people, you can use a different type of gel of your choice. So, but the thing is that after you apply that gel, I will advise you to still spray. There is one spray I will spray very soon. That one will make the hair look so strong. This hair, I use this hair for 1 week. It's just that I just want to teach you people how to achieve it, in case you will have idea how to achieve it yourself. And some people want to pay as well. There's nobody that can style it for them. And the good news about this style, you don't need to have human hair. You don't need to have Brazilian hair. You don't need Brazilian hair, real hair, to achieve this style. The hair I use on this is style. I use boss braid. I use boss braid. The boss braid is just £7. With £7, nobody will even observe that it's boss braid I use. You see this thing I spray. This thing I just spray. That yellow, that thing is very good, my people. That spray is very good. You can get it in any hair shop. By the time you spray it, you now use that brush. If you don't have that type of brush, the important thing, you have tiny brush that have small brush. Just use it to brush it again and use your elastic to pack your hair, and that is it, my people. You see, it's very easy. So I take little gel to bring out the little baby hair at the side, at that corner. So in case you want to know how we achieve this makeup was done live on Facebook, on my Facebook page, and on my YouTube. Not this YouTube where you are watching me from. I have two YouTube. The other YouTube where I do live stream is called Deg Beauty Live. So I'm always on live stream on the new YouTube, teaching people with chronic explanation, with more explanation. As you can see, I'm trying to rush the explanation. Okay, now I spray this shiny spray so that the hair will have, you see the way my hair is shiny. Just dry it, and if you want to dry it, don't place the blow dry very close to your hair. Then later just use this band, this scarf, sorry. If you have the band, you can use band. Then dry it little bit again, and that's it. So I'm going to bring out the boss braid. Just for, see, look at the boss braid. Look at, I pick just two from inside, just two. I pick, yeah, this boss braid is like £7, £8. No, it's very cheap. Then because it's already it's ready to use. That is the reason I like this boss braid. It's ready to use. You don't need any stress to brush it and brush it, too much brushing. No, it's already brushed. So what I just do, I just take little bit out of it, small, because by the time you achieve the back, and I take little bit out of it, I'm going to make use of it later. I'm going to make use of it later. Please, my people, don't, so sorry the way I'm trying to explain. Just focus your eye. That is the secret. I don't want to put music. You see that elastic? You see the way I'm going to use the elastic all over, from the down, from the middle. I divide it equal. Then I just put that elastic. So that elastic, now see the magic, my people. Just see the magic. It's very easy. Now you take off your scarf. You take off your scarf. So take a look at the magic. You see, it's very easy. You just band it. Use it to, you see, my people, make sure you focus. See, that thing I have there is what we used to do bridal hair. I don't remember the name. I want you to make sure the name. But if I am on live stream, even though I don't remember anything name, I always come, I must remember by force. But this, because it's video upload, I will try to just walk along to what we are saying. So follow me on my page on Facebook. I always do live on Facebook, Deg Beauty and Deg Beauty Live. I have two Facebook. Then I have two YouTube. Deg Beauty. This place where for the watch me is Deg Beauty. Then the other new one is Deg Beauty. You spell Deg Beauty. You space, you write Live. 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 Because now only live stream we do there. Okay, so right now I'm using bubble pin. Use just like lowest, use like 12 bubble pin. You can use 6 on this side, 6 on the other side. Because why? This is operation do it yourself. I'm just trying to make sure I secure it. And if you take the bubble pin, make sure you take it, you place it proper on the right position inside, so that your updo will not fall off. The reason I just take off this off to even the back side the next day, because when I finish this hair, my children, my children, they are on holiday here in United Kingdom, 1 week holiday. I promised that I would take them to park to go and play. In fact, they stand in front of me, telling me, "Mommy, fast, mommy, quick, let's go to park." So by the time I finish, I said, let me just go with my hair. Come and see. Come and see. The way people telling me, they are telling me, congratulations, congratulations. your hair look nice, your hair look nice. When I get to the park, oh my God, the next day when I use it, I just say, let me take off only the back side, then I now leave the gel. Okay, so that thing I just create there for me to cover that, if that place is not smooth enough, that up there, in case if it's not smooth enough, this one is just optional. So my people, try and use pin. Guys, try and use more pin to make sure that thing is firm. That is it. As you can see, I just put small spray again so that I will have that shiny. You are ready. You see, this is the accessory. This one, if you are doing wedding, you need it. Then if you are doing birthday, maybe you don't need it, or you can still need it. Depends your choice. That is it, my people. Book me for your events. I'm available to travel. We are many in one beauty. We do makeup. We do gele. We do okuku. For the okuku, the Edo bride with the bead. And we do for different tribe as well, the traditional bridal hair. As you can see, this one is the white wedding bridal hair. So book me for your event, any ceremony. I'm available to travel. I base here in United Kingdom, London, and we do photo shoot as well. I have here studio here in London. Come and have your nice photo shoot. If you want to know more of my job, go to my Instagram. Is the same name, Dead Beauty. Go and see many, because my Facebook is very busy. My YouTube as well, there's no much of my job there. So go to my Instagram and see my job. Okay, my people, thank you. This is the final. Don't forget to follow me on my 2 Facebook and on my 2 YouTube. And as well, now we now do TikTok. I'm on TikTok as well. I'm still trying to be used to TikTok. So TikTok is the same name, Dead Beauty. All my social media handle, I use the same profile except my Instagram. My Instagram is the same name, Dead Beauty. I just put okuku, the traditional bridal hair there. Yes, so my people, my children don't drag me out. Oh, they say, Mommy, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. They're already waiting for me inside the car. They say we must go. Just imagine you have this hair done. You now put that your vein, white vein. You put on your white gown for your wedding, or your nice dress, gold dress for your birthday. You are done. Operation Do It Yourself. You cannot be left out. Go to my YouTube, Facebook, and rock. We have more than 500 videos there. Thank you. Bye bye.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on Dead. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that Dead Beauty is only specializing in makeup and hair, now let me shock you. We in Dead Beauty Studio, we are also specializing in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your